Here's another episode of Just Another Expensive Golf Cart. Today we're going to talk about rodents from the factory. As you can see in this video, we have a number of rodents eating away at the front end of the car. You can see the bumper cover here where many wires were eaten through, and as we go through I will start highlighting the damage from these rats that were hiding out in my car. Within 2 weeks of having the car, the rats went at it. As you can see here in my headlight, each one of these headlights is $1,600 and unfixable. I started noticing some problems when the car wasn't charging properly when I first owned it, and it turns out the charge ring was bad. But it came back with some more problems. The following week I had a number of other issues, electrical and otherwise, that would not go away through restarting. So we did a deep dive into the front end of this car and found that the rodents had gone to town. I really don't know how this happened, but I know that the car sat in Mexico for approximately 3 months while it was waiting for chips, so it's possible that the rodents made the travel time to here, and we just started noticing the damage when the car was moving around and being driven. Not sure. It was a total of $7,000 in damage. I had to pay money out of my own pocket, of course, fighting with the insurance company to get all of this work done to proper warranty specifications so that I could maintain my Mustang Mach-E warranty. Horns, headlights, wiring, water tank. They ate through everything. You know, they even ate through the 2 straps in the rear of the car. I guess they can get up through the center console area, and they ate the 2 rear seatbelt shoulder straps as well, causing the mechanisms not to work. This is one of the first things I noticed that went bad, but I didn't see it necessary to do anything about. Be advised that rats and other rodents love the wiring, headlights, and other things inside your electronic vehicle. Tesla's also had a big problem with this. Have a nice day. Rodent trouble in my Mustang. Rodent